This is Justin Foles reporting to you live from Nha Trang, Vietnam. Arrived here late last night. It's a cloudy day today, so we're only the second day in Vietnam, kind of getting some jet lag rest today. It's supposed to be sunny the next 3 days. But this is interesting. So this is our hotel, the view from our hotel. And I immediately could tell that this is an old airport. And then I read that the United States Air Force built this in 1965 for the Vietnam War, and it was closed about 15 years ago. And it was recently sold to a developer that's going to turn it into a mixed-use facility with shopping and condos and hotels. And it was sold for $500 million, which kind of blew my mind. But it is right here on the beach. Comes with 10 hectares of beachfront property. So it'll be nice to look back at this in about 20 years and see what it's become. But right now it's a dilapidated run. I lost, and now we're at a mud bath resort. Okay guys, so it's a rain day today, and we came up to this place called I Village. And it's pretty cool. It's like a resort where they feed you and you get massages and mud baths, and they put you in these little VIP houses for the day. So this is our little house. There's Heidi already in the mud bath. So we've got a mud bath that I guess I'm gonna get into. Gonna make my skin
step down.
Beautiful. Looks like something else. You got TV you can watch, water. We got cool tile, cool rocks, a little shower for after the mud bath. Take care of your business. And then out here, I don't know if you can see it, with this little eye hole thing, there's all these pools and waterfalls. It's pretty cool. So I'm about to get dirty. There's our little VIP house. We got our mud bath, and then you walk down here to this hot spring. And we got like a private hot spring overlooking the city of Nha Trang. People just drive the wrong way down a one-way street. We got buses everywhere. Got guys coming out of the middle of nowhere. Here's a guy wrong way, one-way street. Pedestrians just cross. Red lights don't matter. Got anything goes. Just stop in the middle of the road. One light's red, one light's green. This guy.
And they'll throw it up for you. Delicious.
Ba Ho Waterfall outside of Nha Trang. We just drove a scooter through the countryside. It's beautiful, and we just got to this park where there's a waterfall and cliff jumping. You can rent little villages out here. And this is really in the countryside of Vietnam. This is our first time like out of the city. So it's gonna be pretty cool. Swing, I'm gonna push her out into the river. Good job, baby. All right, we're on the hike to the waterfall. We're in an eco-friendly zone. I can hear it. It's gonna be awesome. All right, so this is no joke. I'm John Rambo now. You gotta hike up this crazy jungle. I don't even think we're like a tenth of the way there. Whew. Let's go. You're on video. To all our friends back in Virginia that climb Old Rag Mountain, this looks a lot more intense than Old Rag. Instead of blue arrows, we have green arrows, but they have like ropes with knots in them. This is like the real deal Holyfield, and you don't even want to know. We're pulling a total John Rambo on this one. All right, we just got to the second lake. You can see it here. They got little swings. We're not going to stop here yet because we want to get to the third lake, and this is pretty strenuous stuff. For a couple 50-year-olds, I think we're doing pretty good. Hopefully we make it back down. Don't fall, Heidi. I don't know where you come out. All right, guys, so we made it to the top. This is the pot of gold right here. There's a really nice pool of water there. It's so refreshing. The water is crystal clear. It's got the little fish in it that pinch or bite at you a little bit, which is kind of weird, but it's okay. So that's it. That's the pot of gold. And it took us probably an hour to get up here from the parking lot. And you can't float down, so we're gonna have to walk it back down. All right, next stop, scooter to Nha Trang. Okay, so we're leaving the Ba Ho Waterfall. We came today like 25 miles northwest of Nha Trang. You can see from my last video, there's a lot less traffic here. Once you get about 10 kilometers outside of town, it starts to become more rural. And at 20 miles outside of town, it's really rural. And then when we turned off the highway, we turned off onto this little, it's almost like a sidewalk, but this is like a 2 or 3 mile long road back to the highway. So you can see how the locals live out here. There's some livestock out here, some rice paddies. You can also see in the mountains, they're doing some grain. There's some logging out here, there's a couple of rubber plantations. Here's some clear cutting that they're doing to do the farming. They call this, oh, there's a little rooster. It's going a little fast. Interesting from the waterfall. Here's a couple of kids playing. People got their little golf carts. Looks like some of the folks are coming back home from work. And there's some really nice houses out here too. And there's some not so nice. Another little part of the village. the Ba Ho River is really clean, but the water down here is not so clean. There goes the train. I don't know if you guys can see it. And you can tell that they really just, if the EPA came over here, there'd be big problems.